Do you have a flair for organizing unforgettable experiences? Thinking of turning that passion into profit? Let's explore how to start your very own event management business in Malaysia with 3E Accounting Malaysia by your side. First, register your event management company with the Companies Commission of Malaysia, SSM. 3E Accounting Malaysia helps you choose the best structure, most often a private limited company, Sendirian Berhad. Our team handles the paperwork, name search, and submission process so you can focus on what you do best, planning spectacular events. Depending on your services and event types, you may need additional licenses or municipal permits. 3E Accounting ensures you stay compliant with local council requirements, insurance policies, and safety regulations. Success in event management is built on client satisfaction and word of mouth. Let 3E Accounting help you set up your business for scalability, from tax advisory to business automation tools. At 3E Accounting Malaysia, we don't just register your company, we build your business with you. Visit 3E Accounting Malaysia and start your event management journey today with confidence.